Hello there. Just took my coffee from this morning out of the fridge. Even though it's almost 4:30, I am still drinking it. Tonight for dinner, we're gonna be having hamburger helper. I've never had this flavor, so I hope that this is good. And yeah, I went to the grocery store earlier with Kennedy and I got some snacks because we needed like some good snacks, like for the middle of the night feeds, you know what I mean? So let me show you guys what I got. Got some tortilla chips with the hint of lime. I really like these butter snaps. I ate these a lot after I had Kennedy. Ritz chips, which I just like opened up. I really like these, so I got some of those. Me and Carl both like those. This is some sparkling water. That's really good. Some Oreos. I really like this flavor. And then I figured I would just try one of these because I've been seeing them. I got these for Carl. Got some veggie straws because I just figured something crunchy and salty. I got these for Carl as well. Some unsweetened teas, some Snapple.
Thank you.
Carl likes strawberry flavored things, so I got him this to try. I got a couple of big Kit Kats, cranberry juice, and apple juice is for me. Okay, and then another snack that is actually in the fridge. I have been wanting these my whole entire pregnancy, and in fact, this is why I started doing the peppercini and cheddar cheese like snack that I was doing my whole pregnancy, is because I was trying to compensate for not being able to have these. So these are hot cherry peppers that are stuffed with prosciutto, and I think they do provolone. Yeah, provolone cheese. Realistically, I could have, I mean, what am I saying? I could have used like cherry peppers when I was pregnant and then put like cheese in those, which actually I think I did at one point, but I was on a pepperoncini like craving my whole pregnancy, as y'all know. Anywho, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I'm tired. Oh, another snack that I got too, but we already ate them, is I got a box of donuts. Carl is making Kennedy laugh with Dexter. Grayson is napping, but I think he's waking up. All right, that's our little snack haul. Oh, and another thing too. So my favorite pot roast seasoning, this video is literally just me catching up with you guys because I have not talked to you. So bear with me. My favorite pot roast seasoning, the Mississippi pot roast seasoning, it is so hard to find, and I'm always telling you guys that. And I only can find it at Walmart or this other grocery store near us, but it's really expensive there, so I don't ever go there. And anyway, a bunch of y'all were saying that if you can't find that, then all you need to do is just take a packet of ranch seasoning and packet of ranch seasoning and one of these, and apparently that makes the same thing. I don't know. I'm trying it tomorrow and I will let you guys know if it is the same. But I can totally see that because the Mississippi pot roast, I can totally get like a little like ranch feeling from it, you know what I mean? So like that does make sense. All right, I'm babbling. I hope you guys are having, I was about to say a great Monday. It's Tuesday. Hope you guys are having a great day. Talk to you guys later. Bye.